Hi, everybody.
Hi. We received a package from Czech Republic in 2 days. I ordered this a day before yesterday, and I got a message the next day. So this is the fastest delivery ever by DHL. Thank you so much. Not sponsored. Anyway, we're gonna open it. So
yes, indeed.
how do you like the nails, you guys?
Yeah, let us know.
A full video coming up, by the way. These are dupes for Chanel Rouge Noir. Okay, let's look at the files.
Da, 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 da.
Ooh.
Ooh.
I love leather.
Yeah, yeah.
It's my bill.
Yeah. All right. Box number 1.
See what I purchased. So these are glass files.
Yep.
Packed really well.
Very well. Very, very,
Don't
very
drop
well.
them because they're glass.
Yeah, where's the fun in that?
Okay, so these are the files that I used in my recent videos. Okay.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Okay, so let's put them aside. I think I got 5 of them. And I also got a foot file.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Fancy.
I'm very excited about the foot file. Okay, so there's 5 of them here. All right, to try.
I like the bubble wrap.
Make sure you throw it.
What?
But without the files, obviously. Okay.
Yeah.
So these must be the bigger files. I actually like the plastic packaging. You know, I don't think we need like suede or leather packaging, to be honest with you.
I don't think that's leather.
No, I know. But the other, the MANICURE, has like leather cases.
Wow. Ooh. I like that.
Much thicker, eh?
A little thicker, but hold on.
We'll see. Well, don't try to use it on your nails.
I wasn't.
Yeah, this is 3 millimeters. Yes, definitely thicker.
Yeah, let's take a look.
This is heavier feeling.
I don't know if you can see the difference or not. Oh yeah. Yeah. So
we're gonna test them. I'm gonna make a video. So
I like these ones because they're a little bit longer. You get more.
They're
of a,
heavier too. So maybe that's what
a little more of a
used to.
stroke back and forth.
Okay.
But and I like that it's actually curved on the end. That it's not pointy. You know, you're not gonna stab yourself accidentally.
Yeah, well, the other ones are good for your own use. I think these ones are more for professional use, but we'll see.
Yeah. Well, whatever the case, you know what? They seem really nice so far. I think they're.
Yeah. Okay. And let's look at the foot file.
That's how we roll.
Okay, these are the same files. Just don't break them, please.
Yeah, that'd be
You
tragic.
have to open everything.
I have to open everything.
Oh.
Oh, how about that?
What the?
What the heckins?
Oh, what did I buy? Anyway.
Should I be worried with the fact that you're asking that?
Very well packed.
Very well packed. I'm super impressed.
So impressed with the delivery.
Ooh.
Oh, there's more. Oh, the cuticle sticks. I forgot about them.
Holy heckins.
So I bought pink cuticle sticks.
Stickums. I'm just trying to be very gentle
And the
here.
pink foot file.
Ooh. Look at those. And they're like really grippy here.
Yeah, so
that's neat.
Dual ends, yeah.
Ooh.
Sharpie.
Listen, you don't want to mess around with that. That's like, holy, that's sharp. Yeah, check that out.
Okay, so this is not pink, it's more like a blush color, but okay, that's fine. So we are going to be using this. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
in our next video.
Yeah, just be very careful with that end because it is like...
No cuticles left. How many did I get? 4. Sticks.
Very
okay,
neat.
I got 4 sticks.
Stems.
And the foot file.
Actually, this looks pretty cool. Oh, that's got some weight. Look at this.
Oh, this can be also used as a weight when you don't go to the gym.
Holy, that thing's like...
So this is the original one, I think. Yeah.
So check that out.
Oh.
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's smooth on this side.
Yeah. So it has a texture for like calluses on the other side.
Yeah,
this is good.
That's neat.
Okay, and it's a good thing that this side is also not smooth, right? Like it has.
Yeah, like you can kind of grip it and.
Yeah. Huh.
Hold on. Let's see if I can.
Yeah.
See that? Wow. Very cool. I like it.
Side?
And smooth.
Very nice.
Well, I don't want to say it's smooth, but it's got like a...
Yeah, it's a good abrasive. Awesome. Yes,
neat.
So we'll be using these.
In some of the upcoming videos.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Ciao.